Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning to you all. Welcome. My name is Rob Dorey. I'm the immediate past president of IMarEST, having handed over to Andrew Tyler yesterday at the AGM. And I'm delighted to welcome those of you who have been able to make it in person to Trinity House for this first IMarEST annual conference. I'd also like to extend a very warm welcome to those of you who are watching live across the world in a number of different time zones. In total, we have 250 people signed up to this conference across 37 countries, which I think is absolutely outstanding. So welcome to you all. Last year, when I took over as president, I felt that we didn't quite give enough opportunity to talk about the fantastic technical work that's going on. And therefore the team over the year have devised a way of correcting that. And this is how we've ended up with what we have today, our first annual conference, which will really showcase a number of areas of really the hub of the technical work that goes on. So I'm really delighted with the team for pulling this together, so thank you. So I'll shortly hand over to John Holloway as the chair of, with him and Catherine. Catherine unfortunately can't be with us today, she's not well, but they're the chairs of the Technical Leadership Board who will provide details on the running order for today, the logistics, as well as providing an introduction to the Technical Leadership Board and the IMarEST special interest groups, who have worked tirelessly to pull this event together and also work tirelessly throughout the year in the Institute to achieve our vision of a world where marine resources and activities are sustained, managed and developed for the benefit of humanity. So with this vision in mind, the theme for today is shaping the future of a sustainable blue economy. Covering more than 2/3 of the Earth's surface, the world's oceans are fundamental to life on our planet. They provide food and other natural resources, help regulate the climate, and are characterized by rich natural biodiversity. Their importance to the global economy also cannot be ignored. It's estimated that the blue economy generates over 350 million jobs throughout the world and is worth $3.6 trillion a year, providing employment and food security to many of the world's poorest people. Moreover, thanks to the shipping industry, the oceans connect our people and markets and facilitate 90% of world trade. The list of environmental issues for the world's oceans continues to grow, however. Microplastics and the ocean acidification now join harmful atmospheric emissions, the spread of invasive species and overfishing as problems that must be grappled with by the sector's regulators and other stakeholders. Neither can climate change and rise in sea levels be ignored. With no respect for national boundaries, the various environmental issues threaten small islands, developing states, as well as the major ports, all the same. Meanwhile, the commercial marine sector is being buffeted by the waves of the digital revolution and the networked economy. Ships are becoming ever more sophisticated and automated. Supply chains are becoming ever tighter, yet more fragile. Offshore resources, the extraction was once limited to hydrocarbons and now encompasses renewable energy and possibly soon deep sea mining. These are exciting changes that should not be feared but seized as opportunities. However, to be realised, they will require new competencies, new skills and knowledge, and above all, the innovation and the courage to push the boundaries of possibilities. So today's conference will delve into a number of topics that are at the forefront of our minds as an institute and which are shaping how the marine industries are changing and how we protect the marine environment. We will learn about business activity in the oceans and its value, the future of energy, energy supply and new resources from offshore mining, the ongoing threat of invasive species and their management, and how the shipping industry is being transformed by automation whilst also keeping the human in the centre of the picture. We hope you will find today both interesting and informative, and inspiring for those of you who have yet to become fully involved in some of IMarEST's special interest group activity. Perhaps you'll get more involved after this. Whilst this is the first IMarEST annual conference, we really hope this will be the first of many. So I'll now hand over to John to open the proceedings. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining us.